Tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adeli and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be different. I have been postponing on doing this video forever. Because of that, I haven't posted in a while. And then secondly, my phone is faulty. It fell down and then the screen is not really friendly with me, so I have to go get a change or go get a repaired or something. So I've started editing this video, but just the voiceover has taken like so long. It's the reason why I haven't posted in a while. I have been procrastinating on when to do this voiceover. So today I will be doing this voiceover as I do my chores in the house. Okay, like I'm multitasking. I hope I said that right. Okay, so like I say, if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am very sure that by the end of this video you will be inspired by any of the hairstyles you see on my channel. And if you do not see any of, or if you are not inspired by any of the hairstyles in this video, there are a couple of other videos that I am sure you really find what you want and something that will suit you so well. Trust me. So please do well and go to my channel and then go find what you want, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, you know I love you so much. Thank you for always supporting your girl and always clicking on my new videos. All right, so update. So currently I am washing my hair because I am traveling tomorrow, okay? And my hair is so dirty right now, so I am washing it. So right now, as I am making this voiceover, I applied some conditioner to my hair and I have covered it with a black plastic bag, and then I have covered the black plastic bag with a scarf, okay, so that more moisture can be trapped in, so that my hair will feel so silky and soft. So right now that's what I'm doing, and then I am also washing. This traveling is it's also impromptu, so I have to do a little chores before I can go. So yeah, that's all. How come I'm stressing myself today? And today was an hectic day at work, guys. I haven't worked a night shift like that ever in my life, and I don't even want to talk about it because it's really not good, and I feel so tired. And instead of me to sleep, I am here washing and also washing my hair and trying to tidy up the place before we travel tomorrow. And not to say that I am going for night again today. So today, after I close, I'll go straight to the station and then off I go. I wouldn't come home for anything again, so I'll just go straight from work to Accra. Okay, yeah. And then secondly, what else? Yeah, I have been so occupied with school activities. I don't know if I've said that in my previous videos, but I'm in school now and it's been so stressful. Like, it's been how many years since I completed school? 2017. So that's about 8 years this year. So the mind has been on rest for a long time, and now it has to juggle out of its comfort zone and then work extra hard. Not to talk of me having a baby now and a husband to take care of. So even though my husband is so supportive, but it's been stressful, and I have piled up a lot of notes that I'm supposed to read. So sometimes when I think about it, just makes pause my day because I feel like I have a lot to do and I'm not doing anything. But I'm tired. At the end of the day, I'm tired because I have to go to work, come home, do this, do that. I don't even get time to read my notes anymore, but I try my very best to find little time to read through my slides, yeah, provided by my lecturer. So please help me, God. I pray that God sees me through, and I know He will. And then secondly, what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like nothing really exciting is happening. Just cool, boring. Like just the normal stuff. Work, come home, sleep. You know the deal. So it's nothing really special, nothing new. Yeah, and I will be going to Accra in June, July to write exams. So I'm thinking of having some hairstyle. Like I want to do knotless braids. Guys, this reminds me. I didn't know there are types of knotless braids. There are not types, but people have created types of knotless braids because depending on how they can do it. That's why I don't like knotless braids, because mostly the ones I see are the ones where they will braid your own hair 3 times or more before they'll start adding the attachments until the end of the hair. Guys, that kind of knotless braids puts tension on the hair and the scalp. So by the time you take down your braids, you're going to lose a lot of hair. That's why most people say after they do knotless braids, they lose their edges. Because like your hair at your edges are very tiny and they are smaller. They are not thicker as the one at the middle part or your occiput or something. The ones on your forehead are very tiny. So if they are braiding that one 3 or 4 times before they add attachment, before they braid it down, and some of them also do it very small. The parts are very, very small. Like, I mean, come on now, how do you expect the hair not to fall out or not to pull or not to break? I don't get. So if you are going to have knotless braids, make sure the braider braids one for you to see before they braid up to half. Because me like this, I cannot let a braider braid my hair. When it gets to half, then I'll tell the braider to unbraid that. I don't want to braid it. Like, I can't. I don't have the heart for that. I know it's my right, but I can't do that. So when I go, recently I was going to braid one, and I explained to her that she started doing like what I'm saying, the one to braid with your own hair 3 or 4 times before they add attachments. So you see that the roots there will look tiny, and when it's being braided down to the tips, it looks thicker. So she braided that. I was like, no, I don't want this kind of knotless braids. She said, how is it done? I was like, okay, the knotless braids I want is the type that when you section the hair you want to braid, right, then you divide the hair into 3, right, then immediately you divide the hair into 3, start adding attachments. So when someone sees that braid, it will look like it was braided from your scalp, or it looks like your own hair that was braided from your scalp. You get? So that's the real knotless braids, okay, not the one I see in some people's hair. Like when I see it like that, I'm like, wow, if you keep it in 2 months, 3 months, by the time you will braid your hair, because it will easily create a knot, and then when you're unbraiding, you have no choice than to drag, and you end up losing lots and tons of hair, and then you come and be blaming a knotless braids that knotless braids broke your hair. Come on now, you people. Anyway, so that's my contribution on that. Like, that's what I realized. So I want to do a short knotless braid with curly ends, like something simple, like, just for the exams, and that's it. So if you watched the video to this point, thank you so much. Please, before you click off, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. I promise to be consistent. I promise to post. I know I've been promising you guys all the time, but this time, take my word for it. I will try my best, okay? I love you all and have a great day. Bye.
Two hearts running